Each drone in a show is like a pixel in a giant aerial canvas, contributing to a larger, breathtaking picture that unfolds in the sky. Imagine a swarm of fireflies, each carrying a tiny light, flickering and glowing in the darkness. Now, imagine these fireflies moving in perfect synchronization. They create patterns, they form shapes, they tell stories, all through their coordinated dance. That's what a drone show is, on a grand and breathtaking scale, transforming the night sky into a canvas of light and motion. These aren't your everyday drones. These are specialized performers, designed and built for the sole purpose of creating visual spectacles. They are designed for spectacle, with every component optimized for performance. They are equipped with powerful LEDs, capable of producing intense and vivid light. These LEDs can emit a spectrum of vibrant colors, from deep blues to bright reds, and everything in between. These colors illuminate the night sky, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates audiences below, leaving them in awe. But how do these drones move with such precision? How do they create such intricate and complex formations? The answer lies in a sophisticated combination of technology and choreography, blending art and science seamlessly. Each drone is pre-programmed with a flight path, a meticulously planned route that it follows with exacting precision. It's like a dancer learning their steps, practicing until every movement is perfect. These flight paths are meticulously designed, taking into account every possible variable to ensure flawless execution. They are synchronized to music, adding another layer of emotion and storytelling to the performance. They are designed to evoke a specific emotion or tell a particular story, making each show unique and memorable. The result is a mesmerizing aerial ballet. Drones move in unison, creating a harmonious and captivating display. They form shapes and patterns, transforming the sky into a dynamic and ever-changing canvas. They seem to dance with each other in the night sky, their movements fluid and graceful. The effect is nothing short of magical, a blend of technology and artistry that leaves a lasting impression. It's like watching a constellation come to life, telling a story that is both captivating and inspiring, a testament to human creativity and innovation. Each show is a unique experience, a fleeting moment of beauty that lingers in the memory long after the lights have faded. Specialized software acts as the maestro of this aerial symphony, orchestrating every movement with precision. This software is the brain behind the spectacle, ensuring that each drone performs its role flawlessly. It allows operators to plan every detail of the show, from the simplest movements to the most complex formations. Imagine drawing on a digital canvas, where every stroke translates into a breathtaking aerial display. This software lets you do that with drones, turning creative visions into reality. You can map out flight paths with pinpoint accuracy. You can design formations that captivate and amaze. You can even synchronize the lights to music, creating a harmonious blend of sight and sound. Tech expert. But the real magic lies in the communication between the drones, a complex dance of signals and responses. They use a technology called real-time kinematic positioning, or RTK for short, which is essential for their precision. Imagine a GPS system, but much more precise, allowing for exact positioning. That's what RTK does for drones, enhancing their GPS systems to a whole new level. It allows them to know their position in the sky with incredible accuracy. This precision is crucial for their performance. It's what allows the drones to fly so close together without colliding. It's what prevents collisions and ensures safety. It's what makes those intricate formations possible, allowing for stunning visual effects. The result is a seamless and breathtaking performance that leaves audiences in awe. It's a testament to the power of technology to elevate art to new heights, blending innovation with creativity.